In this video, we are going to see about an app for women security. This app will present an Android application for safety of women, and this app can be activated by the app of a single click, and this single click whenever the women need an emergency. A single click, this app identifies the locations of the place through the GPS and send SMS to the saved numbers. So this is the help file. Here we have, and this is the women security app. So first we had a setting. So by click the setting, we have save the message. So in this column of emergency message, you can type a message as you want, and you want to store the primary contact and secondary contact. After that, save the setting. Next, we want to send the message. So I did the process like adding the message and contact numbers and save the setting. So now we want to on the security. So my security is in off. Now I'm going to on. Then we want to send a message through SMS or WhatsApp. So by clicking the one button, okay, now we want to on the GPS. So now it shows that the message I'm in emergency. Because I had a dual SIM, I just saved the secondary number. So through the WhatsApp also we can share the message. So this app will help the women security with the instant of outrage. Entire nation has become to this safety issues, and this will present the applications for the safety of women through by one click, and it can be send a message by placing the location through the GPS. So this help file will show the step-by-step process. First, setting. So in this setting, you can change the message. So I just change the message and save the setting. So the details has been changed. After that, adding the message and contact numbers has been saved. Then now I also on the security. So this GPS location all will help to find the message where is the location is from. So by this clicking, so the message can be sent, I am in help. Okay, thank you.